Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the lid on this Fisher Paykel washer. Let's get started. The most common reason people replace the lid is if it's cracked, broken, or missing. Also, if the lid strike is broken, the washer won't operate. First, remove the lid by opening it, grasping on both sides, and pulling in an upward motion. If you have a bad lid and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you get the correct part. To install the lid, align the lid with the hinges and firmly press down until it snaps in place. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.